This truly is for your own good.
Yeah, it wasn't just for your own good.
This is for your own good, boy.
Buddy, for your own good, you gotta let this thing go.
I told you this is for your own good.
Listen, Jake, I can't see you. Okay, it's for your own good.
Please, I can see this is tearing you up. For your own good, tell me.
Sorry, but this is for your own good.
It's for your own good.
No! This is!
Take me down from here right now!
I'm doing this for your own good. I did it for your own good. Come on, let's go get that moon.
You're too smart for your own good. Has anyone told you that?
Yes.
I suggest a hint of humility when you're presented to the king for your own good.
No, I need you. You have to stay away. It's for your own good. No, I'm not letting you go.
It isn't healthy for us to stay here.
I told you. I'm not moving.
It would be for your own good.
Why would you want to be responsible for potentially dangerous information? The less you know, the better. It's for your own good.
You love me, Rick. I know you do.
Jill, trust me. I'm telling you this for your own good.